Hi, welcome back on the Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper in Windows 11. To do separation, click here and search for the settings. Yep, of course you can here write the settings. Then on the left side we have personalization. There is a background here. And then you have personalization background or wallpaper by picture, solid color. And that's it. So you can choose the color which you want of your background. Something like that. You can try the slideshow. And you can Windows spotlight by random photos. Yeah, that's it. And in the picture you can choose the picture which you want from your gallery. So as that you can download the photos and browse the photos from your hard drive. Yes. So that's it about the wallpapers. In my case I will choose something like that. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.